LeBron James facing backlash this morning over his tweet responding to the deadly shooting of 16-year-old Mahika Bryant in Ohio.
Since he's the king, I guess he can get away with sending a tweet out like this, saying you're next, putting a target on someone's head. But anyway, he deleted it, and this is what he wrote. I'm so damn tired of seeing black people killed by police. I took the tweet down because it is being used to create more hate. This isn't about one officer, it's about the entire system, and they always use our words to create more racism. I am so desperate for more accountability. Officer Dion Joseph responded to the King tweet. He said, Dear LeBron, show the complete lack of understanding of the challenges of our job in the heat of the moment. You basically put a target on the back of a human being who had to make a split-second decision to save a life from a deadly attack. So I'm going to let you hear what Candace Owens said and leave comments below.
It is every issue, and it's obviously just name calling, and it seems to me to be completely foolish that people are not awake to what the Democrat strategy is here. You know, they use people that are false prophets like LeBron James to propagate a lot of these lies, particularly the Black Lives Matter lie. That seems to be almost the biggest one. The race lie has been permeating throughout every element of culture. You have LeBron James, who lives amongst white people in a $100 million Bel Air mansion, who is protected by white people, protected by presumably undercover officers and things of that nature everywhere he goes, and to his games back and forth. There are police officers that are constantly surrounding him, and yet he puts out this lie. And the president is correct to call him, President Trump is correct to say that LeBron James himself is racist. Not only that, but he doesn't care about black people. If LeBron James cared about black people, he'd point to the truth. The truth is that if you care about black people, you have to talk about black on black crime. Upwards of 95% of black homicide victims are killed by other black people. What he actually cares about is just making sure that he himself is situated as a king, while the peasants beneath him, he calls himself the king, the peasants beneath him and that follow him all invest in this lie, destroy their own communities, and yes, kill each other, as would have been the circumstance if that police officer had not have intervened.